Okay, guys, so Orin could not wait on me at all. Barrel top open up. Yeah, excitement start coming down on him now, finally, apparently. So, we're gonna do an unpacking. I try to forget the Orin unscrew the ring light the other night to do something. And, yeah. Whatever new one to guys, it's the bomb.com, but like the attachments are in here, so we gotta get this one up together, kind of do like a time lapse. And guys, if you haven't already, we have a new channel. Videos should be up on it already. Or tell them about it. Tell them to go subscribe.
Go and subscribe to Couple Review. The link is on our channel in the community tab.
It will be in the bio and in the comment section of this video as well.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, we're gonna have yeah guys, so on that channel we're gonna be reviewing different, we call it I was supposed to say different shows, popular things. So like we've done Stranger Things already, we started Married at First Sight, 90 Days, and any little mix up niceness, like a couple drama, like advice and all those stuff. So we'll be reviewing it. So far the channel has been going well, and yeah, Orion can't wait no more. So let me put this up and let you guys get to see what's on. Okay. So guys, Orion, him just impatient in the backside. Him just want things, specific things then. Oh my god. This is the material I bought for my backdrop. I'm not gonna explain everything because we don't have time for that. But y'all gonna get to see what's going on. Anyways, Orion cannot wait. So let's get into the time lapse of it. Hanger. I bought this for mommy. I have one already. If you guys see my room tour, if you guys have not yet, go check it out. I have my version of that already. This wig business, if you guys have not known, no, so we have something else. The wig factor, yes, if you want to get in the wigs crimped and everything, yeah, possible now. Long time as a matter of fact. And guys, you'll never guess what's in this, guys. Like, look at it, right? So it's long. If you can guess below in the comment section what this is, you might can win something. You can name it.
You'll
never guess what in this. You can't guess. Pause the video. Go down this one and let me hear you guess them.
We will never guess what in there.
Here it is. It's a soundbar. I said moving night. I got tap on. I got see. Well, who would I know? Saying I'm a trouble. Come back to Jamaica, bring down my Ratty TV. So things are nice now. Yeah. Jesus, Orion. Guys, my wig business is growing. It's doing well. Gotta get a second canvas head blocker. Because I gotta push these wigs out, like, gotta push them out.
That's not weird at all.
You know what to do with the intro. Well, we're too nasty. We drink this. Cold.
Am I in this?
Yes, Arena. Jesus, Arena, gonna go sport and go in them things them now. Father God, niceness. Let me dig in some more. So yeah, by the dress I'm saying I could have wear church. If I don't want to wear God church, it's nice, can go look a spring evening. Nice. Yeah, some work clothes. So when I decide to take up and do full time, I'm done with my master's program. Yes guys, if you never know, you're well educated in my master's. Yeah, I buy clothes because I don't know when I go back to foreign. I'm outgrow my clothes then. You know, for the master chef, Orion's, yes. Dollar Tree can save money and still have McCormick name branding them. Though cheap around here, but we don't spend money wisely. We not scrape up no pop bottom, so it's a beer silicone items. Yes, drink up a juice. Hey, big business, nice now. Hey, deck lamp out right now. Hey. Deck lamp, guys. When I be working at night, not even at night, cause you know our house like that it hit everywhere perfectly. This for them look fine details. But so guys, if you know where we are not reach my business yet, you know is wasting money. You know much girl ever come to me for me do over them ear girls. Come to me. See them more than get quality.
Shalika is the magician when it comes to wig making. Wig again.
Yes, Orion. Hey, Lord God, Orion. Orion, I say guys, Orion, stop go one corner and go try and close them. Can't bother. Sebastian Shaper. name brand products for my ladies for the wigs. Yes. Guys, Dollar Tree, some nice fine name brand McCormick. Watch Orion. One side with the things there. Woo! Oh, get ready for the bobs. Summer for the bobs. Yes, bobs. Watch Oregon go one. Yes. Because it know what in there. Gone one side. Guys, I mean, it no one else from the barrier after that, you know. So, I mean, I don't know here. Brought it, Oregon. Shots. Oregon. Nastiness. The girl them want wood. Yes, the girl yeah. What you say? Wash up the place now. Which means turn up the place now. What you say? You have buy from me now. Hey. Ah, Jesus. We go. For the rest.
Exercise time. Boy. Good body for the summer. Boy. Good body for the boy. Yeah. Good body for the
Knife out share.
Me a chop a line, and the line get chopped.
Hey.
Yeah, they said the line get chopped. Me a bang the line, and the line get back.
Guys, it's shake out time. Let me go in the next video. I think I shake him, I can shake it out. So this works to drag out.
Some things in them, you know.
Yes.
Okay. Just want to see them go wash them in.
Should I video this? So Orange baby, they ain't picking nanny. Yeah.
Mind it? Mind it? Mind this?
Really? Palm slippers, cause we are sisters. Cheetah girls. Alright guys, this is some of the aftermath here.
Mind this?
Yeah, so we're in beach shots. Guys, I can't wait to go over Elsha. You know, beach vlog coming soon. One, you know, at least 1 year time. For the nice, comfy was a mat. Yes, Jesus. No more have a yard sale. What is going on around here? People in a proper disbelief. It takes less than a freaking hour or so to unpack this entire barrel. And about 2 weeks it take to pack the barrel. Lord Jesus. Oh God. Well, yeah, things are going good. Like packing up things in their places. Like the table is empty already. And like Oren is sorting out his clothes. What's supposed to go in the kitchen, go in the kitchen. Bathroom. Things are coming along quite nicely. See if I can show you some of the remaining. But yeah. So these are some of Oren's clothes. These are items that we know we're going to wash before using. So these are like some of my some of the clothes that I had. Most of the clothes that I have in the bar were like formal, like work clothes. Towel. The match shouldn't be right here, but like blankets, sheets, and those stuff. Rotted. And I thought I was recording. Yeah, I already started to put up some of my hair things in my organizers. If you haven't seen our organization vlog for our business, you can check that one out as well. But yeah, I'm going to put these up in the containers. And here in the kitchen, we got some more of the good. So I got my waffle maker finally. I love waffles. Anytime I go overseas, I go ham on waffles. So I finally had the opportunity to buy the waffle maker. So I'm definitely going to buy it because, I mean, I eat pancakes and it's pretty much the same mix. Yeah. Pots, pans, pots, knife set, pressure cooker. These are just some of the things what has kind of left out as yet. Yeah. So Oren is putting up. So Oren I carry up the empty barrel right now.